There's always a question of whose responsibility is it to make sure the arts are passed on. As an arts administrator, I feel like it's my job to help answer that. We all have a responsibility, and so I think Eugene Opera takes that seriously, whether it's through our artist mentoring program, where we take performances to the high schools and other areas, or it's the Eugene Opera Academy, where we give students an opportunity to come in and see what we do, whether we're opening the door. To me, that helps foster what's already in the young people. What Nixon in China is going to be able to do for a group of students, they get an opportunity to come on stage, backstage, they get the tour, they get to see every element that creates an opera. For them to have an opportunity also to learn about opera, a living composer, to learn about the amazing historical moment that's being recreated in this opera of Nixon going to China. A lot of these kids are like, I've heard of Nixon, but what does that mean? Well, here we're bringing it to them live. What's been fun for me is to introduce to them how John Adams and Peter Sellers worked really hard to create an onstage view and the instrumental vocal sound. And so what I've been trying to do with the students is say to them, you need to listen. Go somewhere and listen to YouTube, a wonderful little tool, and listen to sections of Nixon in China, because they're curious about what does that mean, what is the whole idea of Nixon in China. So as they go and they listen, now they're paying attention to the story in a way that music can help them learn the story. So every chance that we get as performing artists, as arts administrators, as teachers, directors, and all the other titles we hold, we gotta share something with the young people, because there's so much else vying for their time and energy that won't necessarily give them a job in the future, won't necessarily have anything to do with their quality of life later on. And I just really think that we owe it to them to just keep creating great art and then letting them see how it's created, involve them in the creation.